In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jarvis AI to write a cookbook or recipe for any occasion. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? Here in this video, I want to show you how to write cookbook or recipe using this so-called Jarvis AI. So let's get to it. So first thing you need to do is to get access to the Javis, which is inside the description below. You can just click the link in the description below and get a 5 days free trial with 1000 words. So just click the link in the description below and then get started. So first thing, as I said before, you need to install the Javis. Log into your Javis and then open a project file. So I just need to give Javis a layout or basic of what I want to do. So first thing, you should have know how to get this title. So I'll just go here and search for local recipe. Trying to tell Javis to write a Portuguese still, which I first started. So this is one of the local diets. So you just need to copy it, then proceed. So the next thing you need to do is to set this thing. So according to this man, the owner of this YouTube channel, Javis, he like to use medium. So for today I'm going to use medium because I normally use long. So I just want to try a medium today. So the next thing is click on Ctrl J or click on this button to compose and let the Javis do the work. So as you can see, the Javis is at work. The Javis is at work. So you can see this is great. Even if you don't know how to write recipe before, this is a new breakthrough for you to use Javis to write recipe and make money from it. So just ignore this. Okay, I think it's coming about. So let's just clear this. And this one is talking about a seafood food. So I already prepared the time for us. Control P. Then let us continue. So Javis, we've done everything for you. All you just need to do is to give Javis an hint on what to write on, and then everything, as you can see. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So you can literally use Javis to write mostly everything, be ebook, be storybook. Even if you want to write a Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube video intro, or anything, I think Javis is more suitable. So if you are getting started on Fiverr and want to know some niche, so I get a book that said 36x way to make money on Fiverr. The link is inside the description below. All you just need to do is to click on the link and input the email we are going to use to receive the receive the ebook. So the ebook contains 36 ways to make money on Fiverr. So I think I'm making a mistake here. Just to Z. So that is the way and how to deliver or complete each order. So thank you for watching. If you need some Fiverr tutorials, it's already on my channel, so don't forget to watch our Fiverr tutorials and all the link in the description below. And thank you for watching.